heartache, rejection, and loneliness. Despite being an emotion, it can really sting. Now picture this. You're at a gathering, watching other men effortlessly connect with women while you're left waiting for your turn, destined to head home solo. It's a tough pill to swallow, isn't it? The idea that no woman wants your time, doesn't desire to hold your hand. The fear of ending up alone can feel like a dagger through a man's soul. You've probably felt this way at least once in your life, right? Now, ask yourself, don't I deserve to be happy? Well, hold on, because guess what? You do. You are not invisible. You're simply yet to reveal the interesting side of you. And to unleash that untapped potential, watch this video until the end. Otherwise, you'll miss something important and might end up getting dumped by a woman. Now, if you're still with me, then I've got one crucial message for you. Don't just talk, do. The brutal truth is that this is not a punishment given to you by God. It's your own fault. And speaking of truth, I'd like to mention a quote from the great Stoic philosopher, Marcus Aurelius, where he goes, "Accept the things to which fate binds you, but do so with all your heart." So, here's the deal. There are scientific rules, yes, scientifically proven rules to grab any woman's attention. And it's not about being the most good-looking guy or the ultimate charmer. It's pretty straightforward, actually. Attraction isn't just about appearances. It's about behavior too. I mean, sure, we all think we're interesting, right? But to a stranger, not so much. So, what's the secret sauce? Well, that's what we're here to explore today. To master this art, we need to first take a stroll through history, understanding the age-old dance of seduction. Men have been trying various tactics and strategies for centuries. Some succeeded, others, let's just say they had their fair share of facepalms. The art of seduction is scientific, and it's like a dance. It takes two to tango. Unfortunately, most men don't know how to dance this intricate dance. They stumble, step on toes, and well, often end up solo on the dance floor. Many men find themselves lost, clueless, and unsure of how to navigate the world of dating and relationships. Common mistakes include being overly passive or missing those subtle signals women send out. And this has led to a crisis of masculinity. But we're not going to talk about those things in this video, as we already have a video on those topics. Link will be in the description. Anyways, by learning and implementing the scientifically proven rules to attract women, men can boost their odds of success and regain their lost confidence. Rule number 1, take command of your surroundings. To get her attention, you've got to stand out. No need for outrageous stunts or over-the-top gimmicks. It's about owning your space. Now, picture this. Would you rather be the guy who fades into the background, craving not to blend into social circles, hoping no one notices him, or the guy who walks in, commanding attention and respect effortlessly? You know the answer. Also, let me know in the comments. If you're one of these guys, you should take control of the space around you instead. What does this suggest? It suggests having confidence in yourself and your surroundings. It means walking firmly and purposefully while keeping your head held high. It means being the man who everyone wants to chat with, because he just flows with charisma and glamour. You won't even need to approach her, just by owning the space, and she'll notice you. You stand out from the other guys who are too cautious or insecure to command attention, and it's a powerful way to make a lasting first impression. By watching these videos, it's clear you're someone who's eager to improve, and that's worthy of admiration. You've already demonstrated the willpower and the desire for self-improvement. What you need now is a clear path. We're offering a valuable resource, a free secret ebook written by Tristan Tate. This ebook contains exclusive knowledge on how to attract women effectively, no matter the circumstances. It delves into the art of seduction, understanding female nature, and dating as a comprehensive whole. This is just the groundwork for you to become a player in the dating realm. You don't lack motivation. You just lack the knowledge and trust in the path that you're taking. You can either continue on an aimless journey that leads nowhere, or take action by clicking the link in the description below. Rule number 2, act uninterested. Surprisingly, it can be a powerful tactic. It shows you're not desperate and makes her wonder why you're not falling all over her. But remember, don't overdo it. Balance is key. You give off a vibe that you're not desperate or in need if you act uninterested. She also starts to wonder why you aren't paying her the kind of attention that other guys do. However, there is a thin line between being uninterested and being a dick. Strike a balance between expressing some concern while refusing to give her whatever she wants. You don't want to treat her rudely or completely disregard her. Consider the possibility that you talk to her, but are not really there for the conversation. Instead, you may poke fun at her or make a small challenge. The idea is to keep her on the edge of her seat and leave her wondering why you aren't tripping her up like other guys do. And this will in return make her work hard for your attention. Mission accomplished. Rule number 4, acknowledge her shortcomings. It might sound unconventional, however, it's crucial to point out a girl's flaws. Girls are accustomed to receiving compliments and love letters constantly. And don't get me wrong, compliments are flattering, but they rarely leave a lasting impression. Even so, if you can point out an area where she needs to improve and provide constructive criticism, it will demonstrate to her that you are paying attention and that you are not scared to share your voice. You don't want to be overly critical or harsh. You're not her dad. It's going to turn her off. Be gentle and be yourself. Make sure the criticism you give will ultimately lead to improvements for her. For instance, if she frequently interrupts others as they speak, you can comment, "I've noticed that you have a tendency to interrupt people. Try paying closer attention and refrain from talking until others have finished speaking." This will demonstrate to her that you are paying attention and give her things to improve upon as a person. Rule number 5, don't be predictable. Just like the great Chinese general Sun Tzu once stated, "Let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night." Predictability is the enemy of attraction. If you're doing the same thing over and over, you become part of the herd. To stand out, mix things up, and keep her guessing. Being too predictable would definitely make you a boring person. She will quickly lose interest in you if you consistently act in the same way, say the same thing, employ the same goofy pickup line, or visit the same locations. You blend in with the rest of the herd and become one of it. You want her to think, he's not like other guys. To catch a girl's interest, don't make her life simple or repetitive for her. Keep her guessing and don't be scared of switching things up. Experiment with new ideas. This is a game. And if you're being simple and shallow, chances are she's already dealt with the same technique from other people who may be using it right now on a different girl and expecting the same results. However, since everyone is unique and the world is unpredictable, why shouldn't you be? Attracting women isn't rocket science. It's about mastering the art of intrigue. We're all on this journey together. It takes time to master all this. But before ending the video, I'd like to quote Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, where he goes, "Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do."